Could these be three of the most interesting ASX stocks to watch this June? Today we're looking at three companies that are showing promising technical signals and could be preparing for their next major move. We'll cover a lithium play benefiting from the critical minerals boom, a coal producer riding a strong uptrend, and a healthcare technology leader sitting at a major technical turning point. Let's dive into Elevra Lithium, New Hope Corporation, and Medicus. First up is Elevra Lithium, ticker ELV. For much of the past few years, lithium stocks have experienced significant volatility as prices corrected sharply from their previous highs. However, technical traders are beginning to notice some encouraging signs in Elevra. What makes ELV interesting is its exposure to the North American critical minerals theme, an area receiving strong government and industry support as countries seek secure battery supply chains. From a chart perspective, Elevra appears to be transitioning away from purely speculative trading behavior. Price action has become more stable, volume trends have improved, and buyers seem to be stepping in at higher levels. If lithium prices continue to recover during 2026, ELV could be one of the smaller ASX names worth monitoring closely. Next is New Hope Corporation, ticker NHC. While coal isn't always the most talked about sector, New Hope continues to generate strong investor interest thanks to its operational performance and exposure to the thermal coal market. A key catalyst remains the new Ackland project, which has strengthened the company's long-term production outlook. Technically, NHC is arguably the strongest chart of the three stocks we're discussing today. Analysts have observed that the stock has successfully broken its previous downward momentum and established a sustained uptrend. Even more importantly, trading volume has been increasing during upward moves, which is often viewed as a positive sign of institutional support. As long as the stock remains above key support levels, the trend remains firmly in the bull's favour. Finally, let's look at Medicus, ticker PME. Medicus has been one of the ASX's standout growth stories over the past decade, delivering world-class medical imaging software to healthcare providers globally. Recently, the company announced significant contract wins, including agreements with major healthcare networks, reinforcing confidence in its long-term growth outlook. However, after reaching record highs, the stock experienced a substantial correction. Now the chart is approaching what many technical analysts consider a critical decision point. PME is currently testing long-term trend support levels that have historically acted as launchpads for future rallies. If buyers return and the stock successfully holds these levels, Medicus could potentially begin its next upward phase. Of course, confirmation is still needed, making this one a stock to watch rather than chase. So there you have it, three ASX stocks showing technical setups worth watching in June. Elevra Lithium offers exposure to a potential lithium recovery, New Hope Corporation continues to display strong trend strength, and Medicus sits at a fascinating technical crossroads. Which of these three stocks is on your watch list? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this ASX market update, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next stock analysis video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.